To show you how to make sauce. This is an Italian staple, and I feel like sauce is one of those things that's like super personal to the individual person who's making it, and it can be made in a variety of different ways. So I'm just going to show you how I make it. I start by chopping up some onion and garlic. You don't need to dice it real small here. Again, this is like big chops because you're going to end up putting it in a blender. You're going to saute them until they're nice and fragrant. And then you're going to add them into your blender along with your plum tomatoes. So this can be fresh from the garden, or you can use cans. I do 428 cans here. And then once everything is out of your pot, you're going to add some red cooking wine, and then you're going to take that blended sauce and add it into your pot. Along with some of those cans of sauce, you're going to add fresh parsley and fresh basil in there as well. Then you're going to add whatever spices you like. You can keep it simple with just like salt, pepper, and garlic, or you can add oregano, thyme, bay leaves, like literally whatever you want. Once all of your seasonings are in, you're going to bring your sauce to a boil and then add in whatever meat you like. Let it low simmer for a couple of hours and then enjoy.